And when I came to know my in-laws, my mother-in-law and I didn't get along very well. They were upset because I was a Galitzianer, and they were Litvaks. And you know, when she said fish, she said fish, and my grandmother said fish. And she said, and my father-in-law, with his wonderful Litvakische Yiddish, that I had to learn all over again. My Yiddish is completely gemished now because of this marvelous long history with in-laws who I came to love so much, and who came to love me, of course.